Hi, happy Wednesday morning, January 1st. Just back from the gym, and I was thinking that I don't have to go to the gym. Some mornings it's like I'm tired and I should just make coffee and read the morning news. Like anything, I'm privileged to go to the gym and hang out with my workout buddies. I'm also privileged to sit at my drawing table and paint or record stories for YouTube or audiobooks. Going to set and spending 12 hours waiting for them to call action is better than doing nothing. In the spring, I'll gather my team and pull invasive species and do cleanups with friends of Humber Bay Park and my partners in the community. We all need goals and purpose to make the world a better place and encourage our friends and family. Have a great New Year.